Okay, so I'm here with Dave Stahl and David, and all of these classic T-Birds. This is, I mean, these are beautiful
But you
cars.
look like you would be perfect in that white T-Bird. You look like you're right from American Graffiti.
I'm totally into it.
You are
so
into it.
I love it. You guys are having a great event this weekend.
When is it?
It is Sunday, November 2nd, this coming Sunday, from 10 to 2 at Kearney Pearson Ford up on Claremont Mesa Boulevard. And we'll be hosting an open house featuring all year's Thunderbirds, but primarily the 1955, 56, and 57.
The classics.
But you might see other sprinkling of other T-Birds show up.
We hope so, and we're inviting all other T-Birds to show up and just take part in open house, get to know the members and owners of these iconic cars. And
Because somebody has to own them later on down the road, and you better get excited about it. So we're hoping that the young generation will come in
and we lost his mic. We lost
you
his
lost
mic.
your So, you know, to have the younger gen, because we were talking off air that we've got to find girls and guys that are fall in love with these cars and will carry on the tradition.
We're starting to see a little bit, but it's taken a while.
Well, let's face it, these cars aren't cheap.
And they're not easy to maintain or keep in this beautiful shape.
It's a lot of fun to keep them up, and it's funny sometimes you talk to somebody and you hold up a timing light or something, and they go, "What's this?"
Yeah, right.
And this is how you
can
get the car
actually work on these.
Okay, so while we talk about these beautiful cars, also there's a Toys for Tots connection with all of this.
Yes, we're having our 7th annual open house in conjunction with Kearney Pearson Ford, and we're using it as our kickoff for our Toys for Tots collection. We're hoping that everybody that comes by to look at the cars will bring a new unwrapped toy.
And you guys were the leaders for the longest time as far as toy donations.
We've been one of the biggest donors, and have had a lot of fun doing it, and it's a lot of fun to fill up one of the pickup trucks, and we have lots of boxes of toys and things like that at the dealership.
And tell me, are the fuzzy dice a requirement? I think they should be for the T-Bird, right?
By the way, you see that look? You see that look? She wants to drive one of these away.
Yes, she does.
She drives all my cars. She wants to drive one away.
Put that thing in reverse.
It doesn't have a backup camera, so don't even go there.
What years, real quick, what years are these?
We've got two 56s, with the Continental kits, which I think are the most iconic.
Yeah,
and two 57s.
And two 57s.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And one with and one with and one out.
Yeah, beautiful.
This Sunday, be there or be square.
All right.
Kearney Mesa Ford.
Thank you guys for bringing your lovely cars out of their hiding places, because I know you guys keep them pristine. Right?
These are drivers.
Oh, yeah, they drive them.
They drive them. Absolutely.
Yeah, they drive the wheels off them. Look underneath.
Look at, he's like, I drive this thing.
Heck yeah.
The ladies look at me in this thing.
No queens on this lot, let me tell you.
All right, guys, thank you for coming in. Again, the event is on Sunday. We are going to take a little break, and we'll be right back with more Good Morning San Diego right after this.